Welcome back to the internet web. The largest cruise ship ever constructed, known as Icon of the Seas, weighs around 50,000 elephants or 83,000 rhinos or your mom, which weighs around 250,000 gross tons and can hold around 5,500 passengers. The ship has an estimated cost of $2 billion and is set to sail in early 2024. When there's a traffic jam in Germany, the drivers must by law move to the edge of each side to make space for emergency vehicles passing by. Nah, if I'm in Germany, I'll just be like, this party had a giant screen with insane visuals going on with this like God of War looking at character in the middle. This bonsai apple tree managed to grow an apple about half its size. The water bubbles in this glass look like some enchantment table writing from Minecraft, like this man's about to enchant a sharpness 17 diamond sword or something. Thank you all so much for watching. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe with notifications on to catch my next video.